Love the music. All right. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna go non-stop one more time. We're gonna turn this into a nice 10-minute MotoStars review video. Twisted Hooked, how are you doing? No pausing on this video.
I wasn't prepared for such a quick change of the route.
Oh, no. Okay. Watch out, don't overshoot it. Okay, going a little too fast. We're gonna apply too much brakes. We're gonna go a little wide. Oh! Panic braked. We went into a little bit of a brown stage. Panic broke. Lost traction on that front tire. What you need to be doing is progressive braking. There's the dump. I love all the camera angles, by the way. So he's talking on his Cardo.
You okay?
He's able to talk to each other. Using the link in the description, you get a nice little discount, I think.
Damn, thank you.
I love it. That truck driver is going to rescue him. Remember to get yourself a rescue kit.
We're good. Thank you.
Here we go. Off to the next one. Alps rider messing around with his phone mount. Should have had a rock for him, but we're going to go ahead and keep going. Nice blinker. Go ahead and look. You got that red car. We're going to go switch lanes. We're switching multiple lanes. Hey, whose fault is it at that point? It is our fault. So what happened was there's multiple vehicles in front of us, and we decided to swerve around it. Happens all the time for other vehicles into us. Now, if he had a rock for him, he would have had his phone on. It fell off. Quad lock. Anyways, going super fast in some orchards. We got a sharp left, sharp right turn, so we got a massive 90-degree turns here. Watch out for that pole. Are we going to hit it? Nope. We're just going to go ahead and low side because we did it on the paint. Probably slammed the brakes a little bit. Lost a lot of traction. Nah, no buenos. No buenos. I mean, you're doing pretty good on that straight line, but you couldn't make that turn, Vladimir. So rookie mistake from a rookie, basically. So we got a whole bunch of rookies here, D-Different Crew rookies here on MotoStars. He captured all his footage and delivered it to me to put you guys all through remedial training. So go ahead and take a quick look at everything. Looks pretty good. You know, we got a little damage here and there. All right, we're going to go out here. Can't see anything. We hit a bug or something. We see the person, getting their knee down. We're learning how to do that. You know, we got a black belt in idiocy, but then we're going to go ahead and move on through here. There we go. Nice turn. Got our knee down. We feel good. Are we going to low side, though? Oh, no, it was a high side. Decided to high side. Now, high sides are no buenos. That's basically what it is. It's going to be a nice little flip. We start the low side, lose traction, gain traction, flip it up just a little bit. Let's make sure we don't do that. We're full gear. Looks like they are. We're going to move on to this person. 313 Dirty D, baby.
The biker reproved the driver in a quite gentle way. The driver responded aggressively.
We're going 140. Yeah, we're doing the right thing with no gear. Is he a smart rider? No, he's not. Did he just flip me off? You want to fight?
I say use your blinker. You're not used to your blinker, bro. And then you get all mad and try to run up on me.
Whatever. Dirty D, you're not a smart rider. All right. DK719. Oh, yeah. Exactly. Big open lane. That lane is getting backed up. Even a cop decided to do that. And what do you think it is? Inattentional blindness. Cops are dumb too. Not even a lockdown keep bad drivers at home, of course. Oh, what are you doing? Side of the vehicle, uncommon thing in a common situation. Did a great job moving through here. Virus Rider. Jelkins. I heard of that before. All right, so we're going to low side a little bit. Low sides are no buenos. We broke a lever. We got our phone hooked up to a wire. Make sure you guys just get yourself a Cardo. That way you don't have to have wires and things hooked up, and I get it. But anyways, 90 miles per hour. Oh my gosh. No, this is a terrible idea.
Mistakes and ends his ride with a fall. Luckily, nothing serious happened to him.
Oh, no. Yeah, rev bombing is going to get everybody's attention. Talk on your Cardos to each other. Hey, Jeff just crashed again. Let's go back. Let's go pick him back up again. It's at night. What are you gonna do? Gotta rescue a rider. What kind of symptoms does he have? This is on the back side of the card, which you will get with a rescue kit, which we have available on our store. Link is in the description for that. Oh, okay, this is serious now. He's not getting up. He might be just kind of getting checked out.
Farm Valley.
Exactly. Right here, call 911 or tell someone to. Oh, he said his arm was hurting. No buenos. You can go back if you want to watch that. Lane filtering, we have problems with the... Oh! We have problems with vision to the left and right. We have line of sight problems. We can't escape to the left or the right. Oh, that's terrible. It's terrible. That lady should not have done that. She should have been paying attention. But now we're the ones with thousands of dollars worth of damage. Love the music. All right, Leader Plus, here we go. Riding around with our buddies on cruisers. They're gonna be scraping hard parts, just even trying to turn out of their driveway. So let's see if one of them crashes on this. Okay, a little bit wide, a little bit wide. Very close.
How about
very close?
Almost.
So slow it down, slow it down. Pulling over to help. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Once again, it doesn't matter if it's a car driver or a motorcycle rider. Learn to rescue somebody. We have training in the description on motorcycle training concepts. Oh, Danny Kim. Maybe he hit something. I think he hit something because that was a normal looking turn to me, right? Write in the comments if that was a normal looking turn. Go ahead and grab a piece of pizza and let's get right back into it. All right, DM, here we go.
On the road where the driver
80,
turn around
90.
in the double yellow line.
It's the caution signs. You should be slowing it down. Whoa, side of the vehicle. What an idiot. That driver, I mean. We should still be slowing it down, but that driver's an idiot. See, right now, see how we're all slowed down? This is the appropriate speed because we purposely slowed down after because we saw a hazard, we felt a hazard. So they're slowing down. Luckily, rider was fine, don't know exactly caused the crash. Oh, went wide. You don't know what caused the crash? Too fast. Too fast. Because everybody wants to go super fast and get that knee down.
Go stop traffic.
We need to stop doing that. We need to stop. Class, we need to stop. You need to slow down, look through the turn. You need to maintain good throttle control. And then you have to keep looking because you need to find that exit. It's not slow press and roll, but still. That's my advice for you. Hopefully nobody's hurt. They got all gear, so I'll give them the A part. I'll give them the A part, all right? Hey, we finally got an off-road one. Oh, we're losing a little traction, which is normal out on the desert or on a dirt road. That's the problem, though. We are watching him and not riding our own ride. Hey, that's my helmet. That's a Shoei Hornet X2. So he was watching the other person and made the same mistakes the other person did, but he didn't have enough reaction time like the first person did. Whew. Here we go. Lone Star Rider. His phone fell off. You guys know why. Links in the description. But we got somebody that crashed here. Look at the kind of group we're in. Do you think it might have been a stunting crash? Do you think it might have been just a hooliganish type crash? We got some Groms doing U-turns, figure eights in the middle of the road. We got people behind us. You know, the kid has to go take a dump, but we're being blocked. So the kid just poops in the back seat. And now as parents, we're really pissed off at motorcycle riders. And we start to make laws to ban motorcycles because our kid can't hold his fecal matter inside his butt.
I hope
You're welcome, MotoStars.
video, right?
Okay. You know what? You ride safe too, MotoStars. And thank you so much, everybody that's being a part of this live stream. If you want to be a part of this live stream, make sure you show up on Fridays at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Woo! Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.